The ancient continent of New Zealand, stretched and thinned by tectonic forces, had almost disappeared beneath the waves. What saved it from disappearing altogether was the renewed vigour of the collision between the Australian plate and the Pacific plate, which pushed the land out of the sea again, moving southwards over millions of years towards the Coromandel. One result was the creation of the most active and violent volcano in New Zealand, Taupo. And further north, where it all began, Auckland began to blow again, driven by another hotspot under the Australian plate.